Tuesday, April 11th, 2017, Monaco 64, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. So this is a market update here. It's 4:15 p.m. London time or 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time in New York or Eastern Seaboard. And we're seeing some really interesting activity here in the markets. Basically, gold is making a new 5-month high. We've broken through last Friday's high at 1271. We're now trading at 1272.50. The high's been 1274. That's on the spot price. Silver, 1827. It's up 33 or 1.8%. Gold is up 1.4, but silver still needs to break through 1850, which was basically the high last week. Silver has managed to come up above 18. Earlier this morning, I made a video. Silver was still languishing below that 18 level. And interesting as well, the Dow is down 120 points here at 20,538. It was down about 150 earlier, so down about 2/3%. S&P down 17.5 points or 0.75% at 2339. The other interesting thing that's happening is the dollar yen. I've spoken in the past how the yen is a carry trade currency, which basically means it's a currency that investors and speculators borrow in because the rates in Japan have been at zero for almost 15 years. So if speculators and investors borrow in yen at zero, they take that money and reinvest it in higher risk assets in dollars, euros, or pounds. So, and the reason they do that is because rates are at zero, and the Japanese government and monetary authorities, they've had a policy of keeping their currency weak. So if you borrow in a currency that doesn't charge you to borrow and that currency stays fairly weak, that's a good deal. The only problem is if that currency starts strengthening, in this case the yen, then the speculators have to buy back the yen, pay back their loans, and close out their speculative trades. And so right now, we've been, I've been telling people to watch the 110 level in the dollar versus the yen. The dollar is going down, yen going up. And we've broken through 110 today. We're right now 109.75. So the dollar's down 1% against the yen. The low's been 109.62. So I recommend people keep an eye on the dollar yen. And many of you are probably thinking, why are the markets doing what they're doing? Well, you could talk about all the geopolitical situation, North Korea, Syria, Russia, China, and those are, to be honest, excuses. Who knows, what's causing this? I did make a video last week talking about how gold and silver looked really good. On Friday, I was kind of, how can I say, it came out to be true, but then at the end of the day, the markets turned. So right now, it looks like, that technical analysis, of gold and silver is looking good. It was a video made on April 7th. I said a technical look at gold and silver prices. The other video I made about the precious metals looking good was March 31st. I said silver pointing to a major move higher in precious metals. So that was just under 2 weeks ago. So it's starting to look better. We're very close, by the way, to the that trend line that comes on the weekly chart from the high, all-time high 2011 to the high in 2012. I think it's just around 1275 right now this week. We got up to 1274. Silver, we need to definitely get back above 1850 to confirm this move. I haven't done any charts here on this video. This is just a quick update. And yeah, so keep an eye on the dollar yen. Keep, that 110 level. If we keep dropping below, 110 and then going towards 100 in dollar yen, that's bearish for higher risk assets like the stock market. It's bullish for gold and silver. And what else? Keep an eye on 1275 in gold. If we're able to close above that level in about 2 hours time when the main session on COMEX closes, that would be very positive. Silver, it looks like we won't get to 1850 today, but you never know. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, share it far and wide, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. If you'd like to donate to my channel, there's some links below in the description. And I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.